to start the video. I haven't even recorded my intro yet, and I just shot a bear. 60 yards tops. I was just working at this old logging road, just to the side of it. I looked at it for quite a bit. Made sure there was no cubs in it. It's a color phase. It's not the biggest, but it's not bad either. It looks like a pretty chunky sow. Looked like a sow to me, so I thought about passing it up, but I just figured, heck, the good season's coming down. The bear season's almost passing. I have a bear tag and in Idaho too, so figured I'd film my second one and go and shoot one in Idaho. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I don't think it ran too far. I haven't heard a dead one yet, but I watched the video and it looked like I hit him where I should, a little far back where you're supposed to aim. And yeah, it was literally like 10 minutes walking right in the middle of the side of the road, and walked out into the road and I just freaking shot it. So I'll give it a few minutes. I'm gonna go see if I can find blood first, and then we'll make our way down to it. Well guys, there we have it. If I found it, it ran like maybe 50 yards, but it wasn't dead yet. It was just sitting in the thick stuff, and I snuck in a little bit, and I finished it off with the 10mm. So yep, there goes my second bear tag for 2019. I shot one in fall, as you guys have seen, and I shot this one. I mean, it's not nearly as big as the one that Jamie shot, but it's an average sized bear. I'd say probably 150-ish pounds or so. It's got a pretty big noggin. It's a young, I'd say it's about a 3 to 4 year old sow. I've been holding out for a big one, but I bought a reduced bear tag couple weeks ago in Idaho, so I figured I'd just fill this one and go over to go over to Idaho and try to fill that one. I probably would have held out longer if the berries were still good in most areas, but it's the end of August and the berry season is basically almost over. So yeah, it was I looked at it for a good 5-10 minutes and I didn't see any cubs with it, so I decided to shoot it. Plus it was like literally point blank, so shot it with my 308, and yeah, we'll get you guys some pictures, and we'll show you guys the bear. Well guys, there you guys go. Second bear of the year, notched out. Beautiful chocolate sow. She's probably about 150 poundish bear. Not too big, but definitely not the smallest either. Pretty about average 3 to 4 year old sow. And yeah, I'm very blessed with this opportunity. It was just at the right place, right time. I looked at it for a good 10 minutes and decided that, you know, maybe I should just notch my tag and head on over to Idaho to fill my reduced bear tag over there. So yep, I am pleased to have shot this one. It's a solo trip, so I mean, good thing I'm not too far from the truck yet, but it would have been heavy for one person if it was any bigger than this. But yep, I should be able to get her out maybe one trip if I really want to load up my pack. But I mean, it has a pretty big blocky head, just not very big yet, but it's all right. You know, we have a lot of predators, we have a lot of bears in the state of Washington. I've seen over 20 bears just this past 3 or 4 days hunting, and you know, I'm just blessed with this opportunity, and you know, thank God for, you know, always providing and always giving us these opportunities to fill our tags and fill our freezers and whatnot. So I'm gonna get her quartered up and I'm gonna debone it. It's getting hot. It's supposed to be in the 80s today, so I want to get it quartered out and debone and get out of here. It's been a good year hunting for bears, and hopefully you guys are having just as much luck as well. If you're not finding them, then try looking in other areas, because there is a ton of bears in the state. And you know, granted, we can't bait or use hounds, but you know, if you just know what you're looking for during this time of the year, then you should definitely get opportunities at one or two. But yeah, I am tagged out for the year, so probably help my dad and my brother get theirs for the season. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna get it quartered out now, and we'll see you on the way back to the truck.